ACER E-Lathe 21 series and easy speed lathe. 12 great reasons to go ACER E-Lathe. 1. Infinite 2-speed ranges. High from 180 to 2000. Low from 20 to 180. Custom spindle speed. Easy change in no time. 10 horsepower, high efficient motor for high torque output. Three, 10 horsepower Toshiba S11 vector type AC frequency drive. Adapts wide range power supply from 200 to 240 voltage on 220 power supply and 380 to 500 voltage on 440 power supply. Machine also comes with large capacity resistors for fast spindle stop and fan for cooling hose system. 4. E-Lathe can run on both 3-phase and single-phase power. ACER E-Lathe will not lose torque even run on single-phase power due to large capacity 10 horsepower vector type Toshiba S11 drive. 5. Low maintenance and downtime costs due to few gears and headstock. No RPM gear change breakdown, but accurate and constant on RPM to prolong tool life. E-Lathe can save energy costs up to 35%. 6. Electronic and mechanical brake for fast spindle stop due to high capacity resistor. This function can be used on tapping application. Conventional mechanism brake also can be used. 7. E-Lathe could be upgraded to run on 2 CNC functions. 1. Constant surface speed. 2. Programmable RPM. 8. Machine bedway are Harden Ground, more than Rockwell C55, return side B for long life usage. 9. Spindle speed could be continually adjusted to best condition during cutting. 10. Meehanite FC30 casting base and bed. Our triangular rib with annealing process. It allows no deformation to occur on the machine. 11. 3-point support on the spindle is a key to heavy cutting. 3 1/8 inch board spindle is made from medium carbon steel S45C and induction hardened and ground to its final accuracy. 12. Best accessories package includes 1. 4-way tool post. 2. 10-inch 3-jaw chuck. 3. Power cutoff chuck guard. 4. Halogen light. 5. Steady rest. 6. Auto feed stopper ring, 4 position. ACER is the first to pioneer the electronic variable speed machine. With this new technology and its 9th generation of improvements, ACER has perfected the E-Lathe design. Our mission is to bring you the easiest operation and trouble-free lathe. The E-Lathe is the best energy-efficient lathe. It can save energy costs up to 35% due to simple design. Also, it can run everywhere in any condition, from your top manufacturing facility to your garage, or near a nuclear power plant, with high voltage output to suburban area with high fluctuation of power. Hundreds of ACER E-Lathes are running and producing the best quality parts you need. Join ACER. We hope your next lathe will be ACER E-Lathe.